Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Full. Guys, in today's episode, many of you, in fact, not even many of you, everyone is asking this question: when will be the ship services will resume? And answer to this question is it's very sad actually. I have no idea about it. The reason I don't have an idea, let's see this situation now. Many of the cruise ships come from a major countries, and the major countries are US, Australia, UK, and all this country already announced that if the vaccination for COVID-19 does not come, we are locking our countries for 6 months. So all the headquarters of these major cruise ships are in this countries. So just imagine, guys, if this country is locked down for 6 months, so from where they will run an operation for the cruise ship. And Carnival Cruises already announced that it is very difficult for us to resume the services of cruise at least in 2020. And believe me, if Carnival is not doing it, then nobody else can do it, because Carnival is a very big company. All I can say, it is a bad news for the cruise ship companies. At least this year, 2020, I don't see any of a cruise ship services will resume. The reason why, just imagine if the cruise ship company resume also, where will they get a passenger? Most of the passenger who comes on a cruise ship, they come from US, Australia, New Zealand, UK, all these major countries, Europe. So the COVID-19 has badly infected all these countries. So I don't think so the cruise ship will resume in 2020, unless until there is a miracle happen and we have a miracle vaccination for it. I hope I answer your query. If you have anything, please you can also write it in a comment form. Bye from Cruising with Gold.